What's up everybody, it's Sean here, back today to give you guys a review of the Bad Bunny collaboration with Adidas on the Forum Powerphase in the Catch and Throw colorway. Today's video is sponsored by the good people from Heffelux. Heffelux is my all-time favorite sneaker insoles, and they sell eTPU insoles, which essentially is the same material you'll find in Adidas Boost. So if you're looking to add some additional comfort inside your shoes, be sure to check out their website, which I've linked down below in the description box. You'll see they sell a variety of different insoles, so depending on the type of insole density and the cushioning setup you're looking for, whether that's for a pair of thick winter boots or for sneakers, you're going to find there's a suitable pair for everyone. So I've been a paying customer of Heffelux for years now, and to me, I find them very comfortable. So if you guys want to check them out and try a pair for yourself, be sure to use the code SEANGO at checkout and get 15% off your entire purchase. So this is another collaboration between Bad Bunny and Adidas, and I gotta say they've built up quite the portfolio. These actually dropped in the US, I believe, on February 9th, but here in Canada, we didn't get them until last week. So the retail price for this shoe is $160 US or 210 Canadian dollars, and the colorway for this shoe is Sand, Acid Orange, and Halo Gold. So the most interesting thing about this silhouette is it combines elements of both the Adidas Forum with the Adidas Powerphase. And the overall colorway is inspired by a game that Bad Bunny used to play as a kid called Catch and Throw. And just like all your other Bad Bunny Adidas releases, this one also comes in a very special custom box. So this is a cream or off-white colored cardboard box. We have the Adidas 3 stripes running down the center, along with the Bad Bunny eye. And inside they also give you this dust bag for the shoes, which features both the Bad Bunny and Adidas logos. So diving straight into the details, on the toe box, this layer here, this is constructed out of a dark blue colored nylon. Right above this we have this hit of pink colored leather, which has a very soft feel to it in hand. Surrounding the front toe cap, we have this sand-colored hit of nubuck, which just like the leather also feels like it's pretty high quality as well. And then covering the eyelets of the shoe, this is constructed out of a black-colored nubuck, and it features a ghillie lacing style done in this black-colored TPU, and this is taken from the Marathon TR silhouette from 1979. And the top two eyelets at the very top, these are inspired by the ZX or ZX 6000, and is done in this pastel purple colored finish. On the mid panel of the shoe, it's done in this darker sand-colored finish, but the top layer is covered in a layer of mesh. We have the Adidas 3 stripes done in this pastel orange colored leather, and then pressed onto the side of it, we have Bad Bunny's real name, which is Benito. Underneath this and surrounding the bottom of the heel, we have more of that sand colored nubuck, and you'll see that there's a heel piece here, which is constructed out of a beige colored leather, and we have the Adidas trefoil logo in the center, but this is actually attached to the back of the shoe using Velcro, which is inspired by the Adidas special roaring silhouette. On the interior side of the heel, you'll see there's a secondary heel support piece as well, and this is constructed out of a soft lime green colored leather. As for the laces, so these come with 3 different lace options. The default standard lace is done in this beige tone with hits of reflective 3M intertwined throughout, and we have Bad Bunny branding on the lace tips. But if you're not feeling these, they also give you a secondary black lace option along with this pale purple colored option as well. Underneath the laces, this shoe features double stacked tongues. So the top layer is done in this navy blue colored nylon, just like the toe box, and it features Bad Bunny's eye logo once again. But if you want the shoe to have more of a traditional look, this top shroud is actually removable, and the tongue underneath is done in this beige colored mesh, and we have the Adidas trefoil logo tag at the very top. As for the insoles, so these come with a foam padded insole, and we have Adidas and the Bad Bunny logo stamped on the heel in this pale purple finish. And then surrounding the bottom of the heel, we have this blue colored rubberized overlay, which gives you added support and containment for the back end of the shoe. So the upper of the shoe sits atop this rubber cupsole, which is done in this very vintage looking dark beige colored finish. But in the middle, you'll see we have this exposed wedge of foam, and the netting that covers it is what Adidas calls their Dellinger web technology, and this helps with shock absorption. And then turning the shoe over to the bottom, here we have the outsole of your Adidas Powerphase. So this is once again done in this vintage looking beige colored finish, and we have Adidas branding found on the medial edge. So that breaks down the look and the construction of these Forum Powerphases. And for those wondering about sizing, overall I'd say that these run true to size. So I'm a true size 10, slightly on the wider side. I got these in a size 10 and they fit me great. So whatever size your foot actually measures as on a branding device, that's what I would get for this shoe. Next up, in terms of the comfort, so all in all, this shoe is a very retro inspired sneaker, so the technology is very basic. So with that said, it's not going to be the most comfortable shoe out there. However, to give them credit, I can definitely feel some of the foam underneath my feet straight out of the box. It's nothing amazing and it's not going to wow you, but there's definitely some cushioning underneath there, and this shoe will be fine for just an everyday casual use shoe. To add to that though, this shoe definitely feels very stable and very low to the ground as well, so if that's generally the type of shoe that you'd like to wear, then you'll probably enjoy these. Finally, in terms of the overall quality and the craftsmanship on this pair, So first off, material quality, I thought it was solid. The nubucks and the leathers, I thought they were pretty nice to the touch, and the overall build and craftsmanship I thought was solid as well. There were some glue stains where this rubber overlay connected to the upper of the shoe, but it wasn't anything major, so really no major complaints from me. So with all that out of the way now, let's toss these on feet and I'll show you guys how these look. All in all, I think Bad Bunny and Adidas continue to churn out some amazing collaborations, and I think this pair continues that trend. Obviously, this is not going to be a shoe for everyone. The colorway in itself is quite loud and it's pretty unique, but aside from the color, I think the overall design and the silhouette of the shoe, this being a mashup of the Form and the Powerphase, it's pretty wearable all in all. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about this Bad Bunny and Adidas Form Powerphase. What are your overall thoughts on the silhouette of the shoe, and what are your thoughts on this specific colorway? And for anyone watching, were you guys able to grab these for retail? Did you pass and pick these up on the secondary market, or did you just pass altogether? If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. You can follow me on Instagram as well at esco8. Check me out on Twitter at sean.go, and visit my website as well at seango.ca. So until next time, thanks so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and hopefully it helped you in some way, and I'll catch you guys all in the next one.